Hi my darlings, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you my spring selective haul, so new edits in my wardrobe. I've been collecting these for the past 2 months. I have 3 of them from Australia. I know you can't get them here, but you can get something similar. I hope I can find some links and I'll put them down below. And I just want to show you my little essentials, and you can see a lot of white and pastel colors, which over the summer and spring I do like to wear more lighter colors, and I think it's a bit more feminine. So because I have a few holidays coming up this summer, I decided to invest in these pieces, and then I will take me through the summer and spring. First of all, to start with would be this top, and it's from Glamorous, but the detail on it is beautiful. And then it has an exposed zip, but it's very Instagram friendly, and it will be gorgeous to take some pictures with. It's a long sleeve, the same version but in a long sleeve. I do need to take it in a bit because it is quite big on me, and the waist as well. So I know it won't be a full circle, but I do need to take it in because I don't like this loose fit. Because my waist is my smallest point, that's what I want to emphasize, and that's why I do need to change it a bit. Beautiful, so I couldn't resist, so I had to take in the long sleeve as well. And this is the first dress that I did buy in Australia, and it has these tie details at the top, so you can even make it as low as you want or as high as you would like. I do need to have a look at it because one end here and one end here, so the armholes are very weird because I did buy it from the Chinatown, and this is what it looks like. It is a bit long, but it's beautiful, so it doesn't look like much, but it sits beautifully because it is a bodycon kind of dress, so it does hug the body more, and I love those dresses. So it's a very lovely summer piece. I bought this one Forever New shop. It's more of a corset dress, and then it has more of a structure, and it was quite big as well on the waist, and I did take it in. And then it has these unsymmetrical hems, which it looks beautiful, so I made it hug my body nicely, and I did wear it for a lovely dinner, which it looked fab. So I did make it quite tight, which I couldn't really eat that much, but I do like that look, so I would definitely sacrifice a dinner for a beautiful dress to look fab. And it's amazing. I do have some summer events coming up as well, and this will look beautiful. Similar top like that with my DIY from a pillow case, but that was different, and this like a Bardo top, and it's beautiful again with a high-waisted skirt or trousers or shorts. It sits beautiful, so it does show a bit more cleavage, but it's fab, and I do like the color with a beautiful tan will look fab. So the next one is from UK, and I bought this. I love myself pleats and anything that flows, and this one is from Zara, and then it has a bow at the back as well, just with something simple at the bottom, but I thought that was very feminine, and I can also put a belt with it. So the next one, I got these tailored trousers from Zara with this very big belt, and I absolutely love these trousers. I haven't worn them since I tried them on, so they are a bit creased, but the color is beautiful, and with something white on the top. Zara, I haven't been in Zara in so long. I just forgot how Zara do some lovely pieces. I think lately Zara has been slacking, but I don't want to rely on all my wardrobe to be from the high street. So I did promise to myself that I'm either going to invest in something a bit more expensive and have it for longer than have these high street clothes that only last for a season or 2. But this will take me nicely into summer, and hopefully they last till next year. And this is one of my darkest colors for the items that I bought, but I bought this one a few months ago, and it's beautiful. I got this one from Jack Wills, so it sits like this, and I saw one like that in Dior, but it had Dior, so it had Dior over here, and that skirt is over £2,000 itself, but this one was really nice and affordable, so I did wear it with some black tights, and it sits beautifully. I absolutely love this. It does remind me more of a schoolgirl, but I do love it. I love a simple red dress. It doesn't look like much, but it sits beautifully, and it's quite long, but I do like that, and it has a crisscross back. I've never heard of this brand, and I know that dresses like this sit beautifully on the body, no matter what shape, size you are. They always look nice, and I thought that was quite nice. It's nice to have a pop of color as well, a statement dress as well, and I thought this was very nice to wear, especially for a holiday. with a nice tan. My other tops that I didn't put on the rail, I have this one. This one is very sexy, brand New Me, and it looks like that. It looks like a corset. It's beautifully finished actually. It has more of a silk lining, and that is lovely details. I thought this would be quite nice with a tailored jacket and some lovely trousers. That would be a lovely outfit for dinner or just a more of a sexy occasion. So now I'm just going to show you some accessories to go with them. I'm not a big shoe person, but I do like having comfortable shoes, and I've tried these from H&M and they were lovely. I just thought they were so comfortable, I can wear them, and because they have more of a squishy sole, then they would be lovely and comfortable, so I can wear them for longer than a few hours. So another accessory playing around with is a silk scarf, and just tying it in my hair or just tying it on my neck. And I found this one from H&M. I thought that would go really nicely with any of my colors. A silk scarf is definitely something I want to play with this summer and spring. So one of the biggest trends this summer is these hair clips that I have one on, and you can find them on Etsy, on eBay, and I always loved myself some pearls and some little diamantes, and I think that's super cute. So let me know if you enjoy any of these items, and leave me a comment down below what else you would like to see from me. Don't forget to subscribe and put the notification button on to see more of these kind of videos. I do mainly DIYs and a bit of shopping. Shopping not that much, it's expensive. Charity shop. From me to you.